Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear student, this is first lecture of Mathematical Methods of Physics MMP. Course code is Physics 302. Now we will define the differential equation. As you know, every equation have two variables. One is the dependent variable and the other is the independent variable. If y is the function of x, then we can write it in the form of a function, that is y is equal to f of x. If we differentiate y with respect to x, we can write dy over dfx, that is f prime of x. That would be the differential equation. Similarly, dy over dfx is equal to g of x, that is there is only a function g instead of f. So the derivative of dependent variable with respect to independent variable will form differential equation. Now there are many type of differential equation. We will discuss the ordinary differential equation. Here you can see it is only abbreviated as ODE. Partial differential equation, which is denoted by abbreviated as PDE. Linear, non-linear, ordinary differential equation, order of differential equation, and the degree of differential equation. If I explain simply ordinary differential equation, if there is only one dependent variable, and then it is said to be ordinary. If the dependent variables are more than one, then it will be partial differential equations. And in coming lectures, I will explain linear, non-linear differential equation in detail.